These trades are taken with the strategy I'm about to show you. It's a super powerful trading view strategy that can help you grow small accounts faster, and the best part, it's completely free. So, if you want to make the most of this game-changing method, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. No more delays, let's dive right into the details and start boosting your trading game. To get started, hop over to TradingView and click on the Indicators tab. In the search bar, type gmma fill and add it to your chart. This indicator is like the secret sauce of the strategy we're about to dive into. It's pretty powerful, but remember, it's only as good as how you use it, so let's get it set up and ready to roll. We won't be tweaking the settings of this indicator because it's already supercharged for our strategy. It does its job perfectly as is, giving us all the signals we need without any fuss. Next up, we're adding another awesome indicator to our toolkit. This one's a breakout detective, helping us spot when the market is ready to make a big move. It's like having an extra set of eyes to spot those golden trading opportunities. Now, go ahead and click on the Indicators tab again. In the search bar, type support and resistance levels with breaks. Make sure you pick the one created by Lux Algo and add it to your chart. This indicator is like your market GPS. It marks the high and low points, giving you clear visual cues that are key to our strategy. It's super handy for spotting where the price might change direction or keep moving. This tool will be a game changer for the strategy I'm about to show you, helping us make smarter and more precise trading decisions. Just like with the first indicator, we're not going to fiddle with the settings on this one either. It's already a powerhouse for our strategy just the way it is. This indicator does its thing perfectly on its own, giving us all the signals we need without any extra tweaks. Now that you've added the indicators, your trading setup should look like this. Take a quick look to make sure everything lines up just right. Next, I'm going to show you exactly how to take a trade with this setup, and most importantly, how to cash in on it. So, stay tuned and watch closely as I guide you through each step. Every detail counts in making sure your trades are on point and successful. Buy setup. Alright, here's how we dive into a buy trade. First, keep an eye on those green gmma fill lines. We want to see them bust through the red lines, just like shown here. When that happens, it's like the market is giving us a friendly nudge, saying it's gearing up for a potential reversal. It's an exciting moment because it hints that the market might switch directions, and we want to be ready to catch that wave. But hold up, we need to be smart because what looks like a reversal could be a sneaky fake out. To dodge those traps and keep our risks low, we need to double check the signal. The next step is to watch for the price to break above the marked resistance line. If the price breaks through and the candle closes above it, that's our green light to consider jumping in. This means there's enough momentum to push the price higher, giving us the thumbs up to take the trade. When you're ready to enter the trade, set your stop loss at the low of the gmma fill line to protect your position. For taking profits, aim for a 1.3 risk to reward ratio. That means for every dollar you risk, you're looking to make 3. Keep it smart and let's make those trades count. Here's a look at a successful trade I made using this exact setup. Even though I've had some losses along the way, the strategy's great risk-to-reward ratio has kept me in profit overall. I've been using this regulated broker since the beginning of my trading journey, and it's been great. The user interface is super easy to use, and you can deposit and withdraw with cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, you can also trade with MetaTrader 5, but I personally recommend the Exness terminal. It's really user-friendly and perfect for technical analysis. You'll find a link in the description and the comments that will take you straight to the registration page. Now, there are a few exceptions where you should steer clear of trades, and I'll explain those right after we cover the selling conditions. Sell setup. Just like with the buy setup, we start by keeping an eye on those green gmma fill lines. We want to see them break through the green lines, just like shown here. When that happens, it's like the market is giving us a little nudge, suggesting it might be gearing up for a reversal. It's a sign that the market could be ready to switch directions. If the price breaks through the support line and the candle closes below it, that's our cue to consider taking a trade. When you're ready to take the trade, set your stop loss at the high of the gmma fill line to protect your position. For your take profit target, aim for a 1.3 risk to reward ratio. Keep it smart and let's make those sell trades work for us. If the market is stuck in consolidation, don't even think about taking a trade. Trading during these sideways phases is like trying to guess which way a spinning coin will land. It's super tricky, and you could end up losing around 70% of your trades. When the market's consolidating, it's moving in a tight range without a clear trend, so it's best to sit back and wait for a clearer signal. Keep it simple. No consolidation, no trades.